Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to YouTube videos. The process is straightforward and effortless. Here, you can see that I'm uploading a video on YouTube and everything is ready, but if I scroll down, you can see that I have not written a single tag for my video, so how can I write? The process is straightforward. You don't have to write these by yourself. For this, I will suggest an online tool. And with the help of that tool, you don't need to write a single tag by yourself. First, open the new tab on your PC. In the search bar, write Rapid Tag and search for it. You can read Rapid Tags, YouTube Tags Generator and Optimizer at the top. Tap on it. You will also be redirected to the official Rapid Tags website. You can also read and enter your next YouTube video title to generate tags. Let's go back to the YouTube and copy the video title. Now let's go back to the Rapid Tags, and here, just paste the title of the video. After pasting the title, tap on this search bar icon. Scroll down. Here, you can see the tags generated by this tool for the video. Now tap on this option. Copy tags. Now go back to your YouTube. Tap here and paste. So as you can see, all the tags have been pasted. It's an easy and effective way of adding tags to your YouTube videos. Now tap on the option Next, Next, and Next. Tap on the option Public. And on the last, tap on the option Publish. Then your video will be published with tags. So it was the primary way by which you could add tags for YouTube videos. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.